guys, this is Priyanshu and you are watching Unboxing Theatre. So in this video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing another DJI Mavic Pro clone, which is eachine e58 Wi-Fi FPV drone, which is a mid-range drone in this market. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe it for more latest unboxing videos. Now let us grab our knife and unbox the drone with first look and first impression, which is bubble wrapped for safety purposes. So here it is, our eachine e58 Wi-Fi FPV drone. So let us have a look over the drone itself. Now here is our drone with some extra batteries. So this drone comes with two variants, the 0.3 megapixel camera with 480p resolutions, which is priced at 2560 Indian rupees, and the 2 megapixel camera that can shoot 720p resolutions, which is priced at 3200 Indian rupees. It also has a 120-degree lens, and the company also provides battery included with this drone. I have got extra battery for more flying time. Just like the Mavic Pro, also the eachine e58 can be folded and made much more compact in size. Now let us see what more stuff we can get out of this box. Now this is the remote controller, which has two antennas over it, and it has a mobile holder below the transmitter. Now the batteries are inputted at the back side. Here we get some extra packet which includes a propeller, some propellers, a screwdriver and a charging cable. So now the screwdriver is used to disassemble this transmitter and input your battery. Now if you are a new user and flying this drone for the first time, then my recommendation will be read this user manual and you will have greater information on this drone. Moving on to its features, it has altitude hold, headless mode, one quick return function, and Wi-Fi FPV to have a live stream view of the drone's camera. The eachine's E58 comes with a 3.7-volt 500 mAh capacity LiPo battery for about 7 to 9 minutes of flight time, and a dedicated DJI-inspired remote controller for easy transmission. Saying about its specifications, it has 2.4 G frequency response, 4CH channel, 6-axis gyro, charging time about 60 to 70 minutes, 7 to 9 minutes of flight time, 80 to 100 meter of flying distance, which it is black in color. Now the drone size is 27 into 19.5 into 5 centimeters when not folded, and 12.5 into 7.5 into 5 centimeter when folded. As we have completed all the unboxing reviewing stuff, so let's have a flight test with these drones. Overall, the drone is good in look and the sensor response is quite good, but the image quality is not up to the mark. But again, it also has a low price range and we can't expect high quality from this drone. Now, buying this drone is up to you. If you are finding for a mid-range drone which has camera in it, then this is a perfect drone in this price range. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and comment below about your queries. By the way, thanks for watching and I will be back in the